How's it going, guys? Electron Man. Still kind of mending from my, as you will see with my hand, I'm still kind of mending from that car accident last week. I'm doing better though. I guess tomorrow will be a week, and still a little sore, but just thanking the Lord and everyone else that I'm still here. And the worst I got is his arm. Tell you, so far the thing I found about a cast is that I don't like is, boy, it itches, and man, there's just no way to good scratch it. But Anyway, this video is not about my arm. It's about this new wash repair kit I picked up on Amazon. I'd kind of showed you my other one, and I noticed that it was missing a few pieces, and I've had it for a couple of years, and got to browsing around out there on the Amazon, and saw that, man, you can pick up a more inclusive one for under $20. So I just thought I'd go ahead and pick one up and kind of do a little review on it today. So far I'm really tickled. It has a lot of the same tools I have with my other one, but it has a lot of extra ones here. Anyway, then the box opening, it came in a little cardboard box. I don't know what I did with it, but I did slide it out of there. But I don't know how you pronounce that. It's Ohuhu, Ohuhu, or Ohuhu. I don't know. Anyway, I'll put the name down on there if you wanna get the same one, and I'll give you a link. But anyway, let's go ahead and kind of take a little peek at her in here. And I tell you, anybody into watches at all, even if you're kind of like me, like I'm a timepiece collector of under $100 watches is basically what I am. But you know, you're always gonna have to put batteries in them. A lot of times you want to add and remove links, you know, etc. It's nice to have a little set of tools. And for under 20 bucks, I really like this one. Comes in this little zipper deal. As you can see, it's brand new. I haven't really even checked it all out. Looks like right here we've got some different size studs for when you want to hold your watch, I'm guessing. Part of the watch holder here. I have to read all the instructions to know for sure. Looks like here we've got some not exactly sure what those are. Guess I'll have to read through the, oh, it's different size screwdriver blades. Wow, those are a little bitty, and I'm sure they go in this guy right here. I guess they just pull out, or they screw in and out. Okay, so just so you know, yeah, they actually screw in and out like this, so you can see now you got a variety. I think I only had like 3 sizes before, so it's nice to have different size pin sizes here, and different size snap pins, or I don't know what they call those things, spring clips probably, or spare pins to remove the band off and remove pins. But anyway, it comes with a nice metal one. I think the other one was plastic. And let's see what else we got in here. I've got a nice set of tweezers. This is just like the one I have in my other kit for removing snapback. Removing watches with snapbacks, not unscrewbacks. And I tell you, it's handy and it's worked good. So hopefully this will hold up just as good. It feels good and well made. Got a nice set of tweezers there. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this hammer again. If you remember my last watch video, I was trying to just tap the snapback on and missed and broke the crown off of my my adjustment shaft. So in fact, I'll show you a little bit of that here in a second. I just got the parts in to fix that. And it looks like right here we've got a pen extractor, which is made out of, looks like metal, which is awesome. The other one I have is plastic, so that's definitely a nice upgrade. Yeah, it's made out of metal. And you know, basically in this you just set that in there, and that's what you push your pins out to add and remove links. And the thing I like about this one is everything seems to be all metal. The other one was a lot more plastic in it. And this is your tool here, which I really like. This, my other one was only a 2-point. Yeah, and that's what those are right there for. See, those are the pins that screw into here for adjusting your watch. As far as, then you just open it and shut it like this to adjust the spacing. And this is for screwback watches, so obviously you put the pins into the right size and you adjust your distance, and you put your unscrew watch and unscrews the back off the watch. That's a nice metal one. I like that. Much nicer than the other one I had. And then of course you have a nice assortment of Phillips and standard screwdrivers, and it gets down to really micro here, and they're all metal. But look at that little bitty guy. And then we got, what do we got here? I wonder if these, no, these don't unscrew, but boy, there were some little bitty. All metal, like I was saying. Actually, these do cool. So those pins, those different attachments for your screwdriver, they also attach to these smaller screwdrivers as well. So you can either use this or this to for changing out different ones. It looks like it's got some really micro ones here. I see a couple of standards in there. Pin extractor. And it's got a detail list on it, but anyway, it's different points to put on the end of your little jeweler screwdrivers. Of course, it's got a regular 2 sizes of standard, or actually 3 sizes of standard. I guess Phillips don't get used in it very much. See a whole lot of Phillips stuff in here. And this kit actually even came with, which is really cool, look at all these extra pins and all assorted sizes for if you need a new pin to put in the watch band, or yeah, I don't know all these technical names. I call them pins, spring pins. I mean, that's what I would call them. But anyway, it says 174 pieces. I guess they count these as 120 of the kit, but that's fine. But actually, I read through here. It says carry case, hammer, adjustable case opener, 18 adjustable case opener pins, watch case opener knife, stainless steel tweezers, spring bar tool, link remover spare pins. So these are, I guess they're called link pins. One watch holder, which will be that guy right there. This is a watch case holder here. An adjustable pins that fit small and large watch. One watch back pry opener with yellow. So it's another pry tool here for taking the backs off the watches, besides the knife. I might like this a little better. This is not a tool I've had before. It's got a nice little cover. Oh, I like that. Stainless steel. Yeah, that definitely I can see come in handy. And let's see, automatic screwdrivers and pin punches and watch strap spring pins. That's what they are. They're watch spring pins. Anyway, it comes with all this in the kit. Just thought I would share it. Kind of trying to get back in the mode of making some YouTube videos. It's kind of hard with my hand. Got a couple radios lined up, but I can't do any solder or anything right now, so I'm kind of limited on what I can video right now. But I thought you might enjoy this little kit, and I'll give you a link. Definitely something I never watched on an owner ought to have. And just to finish off the video, I wanted to kind of show you. I don't know if you remember this imelectron that I broke the crown off of. Actually, I think the broke crown pieces right here. I still have the shaft, but it broke clean off of the crown, so it's not any good. So anyway, I went out to imelectron to see if I could order one, and that was totally hopeless. I don't know if imelectron's out of business or what. I mean, they kind of look like they're still in business, but they don't really have a good way to order parts. At least not that I could find on their website. There might be other ways, but I searched around on the interwebs and I didn't find any easy way. So I decided next best thing, especially since this has sentimental value to me. I mean, I know this watch is probably not worth more than $30 or $40, but it definitely has a sentimental value to me. I wanted to fix it. So what I did was I went on eBay and I found this same case number, but it's the same watch. I mean, you can tell by the dials. It's the same watch. This is a blue with a silver case, and it's really a pretty watch. But if you notice, the second hand is floating around loose in there, and it also has a chip on the glass right there. So this is a perfect candidate for me to go ahead and take off the crown and the shaft and move that over to my watch that I have. It's real tempting. I could technically put a blue face and a copper colored watch case. It'd be interesting. I might set it in there to see what it looks like, but I'll probably go back stock. But anyway, that'll be my next watch video. Is I'm going to go ahead and take this one apart and get the main watch mechanism out of it and pull the crown and shaft, and either reinsert it in here or put the blue in the... I'd have a really unique watch, if I did that, because I'm sure I can get that second hand that's floating around loose in there remounted really easy. It just came loose, probably in shipping. It was sold to me as brand new. I don't know if it's brand new. It didn't come in a box, but it looks like it, it's probably some watch that had sitting around for a long time. It looks like it got dropped, and that's probably what caused the second hand and a little chip. But I don't need the bezel or the glass, so it'll work out perfect for what I'm planning on doing. So, and oh, by the way, I got this watch for $5. Plus that was like $4 shipping, so I got $9 in it, which I figured I would have paid that for a crown and a shaft if I had been able to order the imelectron stuff. And I figured for $9 I come out and smell like a rose. I have a nice. This is a nice band, and I can always use the band on another watch. So I'll get a lot of use out of this $9 watch. Anyways, the point. So guys, that's all I got for this week. I mainly wanted to share you my new little watch repair kit I got here. I think all in the tax and everything was like $18 or $19. I mean, you can't go wrong. I think everybody ought to have one of these around, especially since you've got pins and stuff in here to replace items. So not only do you get a repair kit, but you actually got some spare parts included in it as well. Have a great day out there. This is Electron Man. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe.